Hey there, Pokémon trainers! Get ready to elevate your game with the Pokémon TCG, Scarlet and Violet, Paldean Fates, Elite Trainer Box, the ultimate treasure trove for any Pokémon enthusiast. This incredible box is packed with everything you need to enhance your collection and dominate the battlefield. Inside, you'll find a stunning full art foil promo card that will be the crown jewel of your deck, alongside a set of essential energy cards to power up your Pokémon. But that's not all. This box also includes a generous stack of booster packs, each one a mystery waiting to be unraveled, offering you the chance to discover rare and powerful cards. Protect your prized cards with the included card sleeves, designed to keep them in pristine condition while showcasing your favorite Pokémon. Whether you're a seasoned trainer or just starting your journey, the Paldean Fates Elite Trainer Box is your gateway to new adventures and epic battles. So, grab yours today and let the journey to becoming a Pokémon Master begin. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.